Hi, in this video, we're going to show you how to clear out your Windows 11 recommended items from your Start menu. So what I mean by that is when you click on Start, you have these recommended items, and you click on More, then you're going to have everything you've opened up, and it'll actually include software that you've installed as well. So one way you could do it, if you just want to pick and choose, you could right-click on one here, and you could just pick on Remove from List, and it'll just bring up the next one, and you could actually uninstall them if they're actual apps, or if you want to pin them to the taskbar or open them, whatever you want to do, or pin to start. But let's say you have a lot of stuff here and you want to get rid of them, everything at once, or let's say you don't want stuff piling up here to begin with. A couple ways you could do it. So like I said, the manual method, just remove from list one at a time, but that's going to take a while if you have a lot of stuff. Or what you could do is go to the Windows settings, the personalization section, so you could either click on the settings here, but I just like to right click on the desktop, personalize, and that'll just take you here to personalization anyways. And then you want to find the Start section. So you have two sections here. Show recently added apps, so like for that WinZip, that's covered under this section here, so we turn this off. And now that WinZip is gone, but we still have all the open files here, or the recent files I should say. So what you could do for that, you could turn this off, but keep that in mind, it's not only going to clear this, it's going to clear out your jump lists, which are when you right click on, let's say, Word here, it shows you all your previously open files, and even for Internet Explorer, that type of thing too, and any File Explorer history too. So it's kind of like an all-in-one thing. So if you get rid of the recommended stuff, you're going to clear out this stuff too. So let's go ahead and do that and see what happens here. Okay, so now we don't have anything in recommended, and all of our jump lists are gone. And if we turn it back on, then our stuff's back, except for our jump lists, which was cleared. So you'll get your recommended items back, but you're going to lose your jump list. So it's up to you if that's worth losing this information just to get this cleared out or not. Because I know I don't really like seeing all these things popping up when I click on Start. So once again, just go to your personalization. You could turn it off just for apps, recently installed apps, or you could clear it all out. Or I shouldn't say clear it all out, turn it all off for everything under recommended. But like I said, you're going to lose your jump lists for those too. Okay, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.